We got the 2019 Challenger 392. We did a little bit of a different setup today, guys. We installed these Vibrant bullets right there. After removing those mid mufflers, in the back we hit them with a muffler delete and these quad matte black tips available at gexhaust.com. A little bit about these little bullets over here. They will reduce the drone. A lot of people, they just remove the mufflers in the middle and will throw in some 3-inch sticks of pipe, whatever. But this is gonna bring down the drone a little bit and still give it that deep sounding exhaust. I love these tips. It really complements the car. These are the old little resonators on the floor right there with the stock tips. Again, your local exhaust shop could cut off those stock resonators and put back the stock tip after running some pipe. Check out the links in the description, gexhaust.com. We have the largest selection of tips in America. We could also ship any exhaust system straight to your door. If you want to own a G exhaust, we're franchising. You could request a franchisee packet, and we have muffed.com if you want some merch. Let's hear this.